What's up, nerds? It's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with Diva Max only on Harriet. And today, in this super late episode, in terms na I usually release it like 2 hours after my movie. I really apologize for this late upload kasi there's a lot of work to do in the office. Okay, maraming nahabol, maraming na-deadline. So, kamusta kayo? Ayan. So, today we are going to review Dayo, Outsider, in English. This is the latest Viva Max original movie. Uh, it's very actually, it actually has a story, to be honest. Pero may something na parang missing And it's called Happy Ending. So I'm not really a fan of sad endings. So that kind of destroys yung review ko dito, perception ko dito sa pelikula na to during the review. So if you want more of your bold review, please like this video para mapunta tayo sa For You ng YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max only on Harriet. So yeah, Dayo is a movie starring Audrey Avila and Rica Gonzalez. It's currently sitting at 4 stars sa Viva Max app. It's directed by Sid Pasqua. So ang kwento dito is Elsa or sa Instagram ng sa Instagram kasi ng Viva Max, ang pangalan ng karakter ng karakter ni Rica Gonzalez dito ay Yubi dito sa Instagram ng Viva Max. Pero sa pelikula, Elsa siya. Ganun din kay Audrey Avila, her name is Aya sa Instagram, pero Kakay ang tawag sa kanya dito sa pelikula to. So I'm just referring to their names in this movie instead do sa Instagram. Di naman to Instagram review. Viva Max to. Atin to. Viva Max. We're the bold reviews. Okay. So dating whore itong si Elsa, and she wants to let it go yung past niya. Kasi ang kanyang past niya medyo dark. Inaabuso siya ng kanyang tiyuhin, minumolesta siya ng kanyang tiyuhin, at yung asawa naman niya, yung tiyahin niya, she doesn't bat an eye on the harassment na ginagawa ng tiyuhin ni Elsa. And this comes the time that Elsa ran away from home and she went to La Union on the suggestion of a returning Kakay sa bar. So Kakay really is proud that she has a living sa La Union and she wants Elsa to join her, and Elsa did join her. And this is the premise of Dayo. Dayo, itong si Elsa from Manila to La Union. However, Elsa's past came to haunt her when she meets Marco Gomez, the boss. I don't know if Marco Gomez's character has a name here, but I'll just call him the boss. So the boss is very demanding, and he wants the only you know what of Elsa. However, Elsa is working as a waitress dito sa isang resort, and she met Eddie earlier. Eddie is a drug pusher slash delivery boy. Hindi alam ni Elsa na drug pusher si Eddie, but the movie really tells a good story of Eddie being a drug pusher. So Eddie comes to the rescue of Elsa from the harassment of the boss. So ito yung eksena na yun when the boss with Elsa. And it turns out Elsa and the boss had a scuffle back then when Elsa was working in Manila, and the boss wants some payback. Ayun. So what happens here is the first arc is medyo yung masayang part. Kakay has Fredo and Eddie has Elsa, and it also establishes yung magiging conflict, which is Eddie is a pusher, she is a, he is a junkie, and Fredo wants to be in the situation. Kaso yung drug lord nila Fredo sa ni Eddie, medyo suspicious kay Fredo kasi unlike Eddie na expert sa kanyang craft, Fredo is a novice, so he is more susceptible to be detected by law, and it doesn't help that isa sa mga kamabata ni Eddie ay isang pulis na lagi siya pinupuntirya. Kahit sa Parisan, pinupuntirya siya. So, Eddie also has a helmet that is labeled fake Yamaha. So, okay, I like that. So the first half of the movie really focuses on the relationship of Eddie and Elsa, and it develops something more. Elsa, being an introvert, she opened up to Eddie. Eddie being her knight in shining armor, and Audrey and Kakai and Fredo just have sex every time, every time they're on screen. The second half of the movie, this is the serious part. So Eddie got into a transaction with a Pinoy slang gangsta, and he wants the Mary Janes, the Shabu. Pero si Fredo, medyo horny, ayan, like pawis na pawis. Kasi kakatapos lang niya makipagtalik kay Kakay, and tapos maghahatid siya ng Shabu. At dahil doon, na-track down sila police. At dahil doon, nabulilyaso si Eddie sa si Fredo. And dahil doon, si Fredo, inattempt niya na mag-elope kasama si Kakay. Kakay suddenly disappears from the movie. We don't know what happened to Kakay after. Fredo was eventually killed by the drug lord. Eddie, on the other hand, was to repay the gangster, pero he met the boss, who eventually became the final boss, si Marco Gomez, the final boss. And then, for payment, sa utang niya sa gangster, sa alagad niya, dalhin niya si Elsa. And the movie ends with Eddie getting caught. Kasi trinay niyang itakas si Elsa papuntang Baguio. Kaso may mga tauhan itong si boss, si Marco Gomez, si Boss Marco. At ayun, nabulilyaso tuloy si Eddie. Nawala yung kanyang charm. Nawala yung pagiging crafty na pusher niya. Ayun. And he just went down. And he got tortured. And he got killed. And Elsa got molested. And then she left to Baguio. And she's again an outsider. Yeah, this is Dayo. Pretty sad story. I'm not a really fan of sad endings. I'm not really also fan of the mature scenes. It's really safe. They played it safe. Audrey safe. Rika safe. I know they could do some more, but they really played it safe. Like, yeah, I know it's a romance story, but they could have gotten wild, you know? Yeah. I mean, if there was an opportunity for them to go wild, it's when the final boss, Marco Gomez, is has finally got Elsa in his hands, and he didn't really get go wild. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, it's something missing. There's no it factor in this movie. It's like it has no heart. Yeah. So let's go to our review. Teka, what display? Let's go to our review. Uh-huh. Diva Max, okay. So what am I gonna give Dayo? Is Dayo even on my tier list, Karen? Kasi alam ko i-update ko siya ng mga bagong pelikula ng Diva Max. Wala lang akong time na ilagay siya. Teka. Hintayin natin mag-load. So I'm just gonna give Dayo. Ayun, si Dayo. I'll probably give it a just about bearable. Yeah. I mean, it's a good movie, but it's not sexy enough for me. Yeah, just about bearable for me. Ayan. So, what do you guys think? Tuesday, walang bago, no? So, I think Friday, The next movie is Red Flag. Michaela Ross. Ayan. This is your boy, God Gamer Harriet, telling you goodbye and good morning, Bang.